Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So just a quick review about the signals of the premium group and what's happening so far. We can see that actually we had really a good start in the week and the beginning of the week. AUD CHF from the last week closed with 8 pips of loss against really good profits happened later. Only this one 24 pips on NZD CAD. The next day we had actually, I would say, a 50-50 day because we had three trades has hit the take profit one against one signal. We had to close it with 45 pips of loss and another signal 35 pips of loss. Also Euro JPY hit Euro Pound hit 50 pips of profit. And the day after we had really again very good results. As we can see, we had only one loss with 0 pips, like it's just a break even. And also Euro AUD 7 pips of loss against big numbers. I mean, Euro USD 50 pips of profits, USD CAD 100 pips of profits. I mean, amazing. Really, that is what I really want. That is actually the reality of Forex. It's like that, my friends. It can never always be super profitable like every day. What happened yesterday in the Extreme Trader Forex signals group was actually not the good day. Actually, as you can see, we had only Euro Pound 20 pips of profit only against one stop loss and also 2 pips of loss and 0 pips loss, which means break even. If you check the other signals providers, what they are doing, they will just write stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, and each stop loss can be 50 or 70 or 80 pips. That is crazy. While here we are in Extreme Trader trying to reduce the losses to the maximum and doing our best to grow your account, and hopefully that is what we have achieved with so many clients, and they are, in my opinion, countless. So if you wish to join the Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact Angela. You can find her contact details in the description below this video. Contact her today and hopefully we will see you there. So today, since we are gonna use the 20 pips a day strategy, those who have joined the channel recently, my friends, I would like to welcome you here. And of course, if you are watching me for the first time, please go to my channel and watch this video right here, the best Forex strategy, how to make 20 pips every day. That is gonna explain to you what kind of strategy I'm about to use in this video. So let's go now to the actual trading. And of course, as usual, I just like to confirm that this is my live account. And as usual, let me just hide where the account number will be shown because I just don't want to show it to the public. And as you can see right here, it is IC Markets live server number 12. So all the trades you're about to see are gonna happen on my live account, and that is only to confirm, actually to satisfy those who keep doubting my videos. I don't know why I'm doing it. Anyway, let me just fix this recording border. Why is happening like that? Okay, should be fine. Alright, so let me just delete that and let's go to the actual trading. So actually today what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to stick to the 15-minute time frame. Let's go first to the 15-minute time frame. And since I'm using actually not big, but it's okay account size, I'm gonna use the one lot size instead of 0 point. And when I'm trading actually the 15-minute time frame, it's my favorite pair to go to the pound pairs. Of course, the pound pairs, they are my favorite when I'm trading in the small time frame. Now, watching the 15-minute time frame on the pound NZD. Now on the pound NZD, we have a potential setup right here. What we can see right here is we are having a strong resistance. It was a key resistance actually. Why it was a key resistance? Because we can notice here that once the market has reached this level of 1.92067, the trend, this was going an uptrend, the direction of the trend has completely changed. The changing of the direction of the trend means a key support or key resistance. So that being said, the market after the breakout from that uptrend, it again went down and again went up again. So that is actually, you just need to understand how this market moves so you can make your decision about the next trade. So by seeing that, what we can see later on, that we had eventually a bearish breakout candle. This is a bearish breakout candle from that resistance. Let me just zoom in so I can show you. That is the resistance level. So what I'm waiting for right now is for the price or for the market to rise a little bit more, hit that previous resistance, and then I'm gonna place my sell order. And if I place my sell order right here, if I place right here a sell, I'm gonna set this one here to be my take profit level, because that is the nearest support to my entry. Let's see how many pips is that. Perfect. It's gonna be about between 15-16 pips, which is fantastic, and that is actually the reason why it's called the 20 pips a day strategy, because when you are using it with the pound pairs or gold or euro CAD or euro AUD or euro NZD, actually you can make a lot of profits from single reversal. And if you go to the 4-hour chart, it's really very small reversal what I'm seeking. Look at that. On the 4-hour chart, it's just a tiny reversal, but on 15-minute time frame, actually you can see in details the hidden things in the 4-hour chart. So until this candle is gonna reach our sell area, let me pause the video please, and I'll be back to you to open the sell order front of you. Alright, so I was actually browsing actually checking the pairs, and I think I'm gonna place the sell order right away on the euro AUD. Please explain. Let me explain the. Please explain. Let me explain, please, the reason why did I place the sell order right here. First of all, going to the 4-hour chart, we can notice that I am right now on a resistance level. Now, of course, the first thing that you can think about is, Salah, you always telling us to only sell the second or first attempt of a support or resistance. But here on the Euro AUD, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4th attempt. You are right now, Salah, on the 4th attempt. What is the reason for that? Well, the reason is simple. Because right now, we are not trading on the 4-hour chart. We are trading on the 15-minute time frame. What I am seeing right now on the 15-minute time frame can confirm to me that actually this level is gonna or this market here is gonna reverse. The reason, of course, my friends, is we are let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you that we are having on the same level I have placed my sell order. We have right here the resistance level, and also we are having here a strong resistance. It was also a support in the past. Now what we are seeing right now, forget the past, or not forget the past, but I mean, let's see what's happening right now. The very same level of the resistance I mentioned was also another resistance right here, and that resistance has been followed again by this bearish breakout candle, and the market was just right there. That is the reason I have actually placed my sell order, because actually seeing all of these bearish candles, it doesn't or actually it means that the market actually cannot move up right here. It cannot actually exceed that resistance level, because if it does, or actually I don't think it can, actually, honestly speaking, I think it can't. That's why I have placed my sell order right here, and since I have placed my trade right here, I'm gonna exit at the nearest resistance. And let me just zoom in so I can show you. Now, since I have placed my trade right here, my friends, and that is actually a resistance level, right now we can see that the nearest resistance, to be honest, is this support. However, I'm actually gonna pass that, and I think the market is gonna continue falling until it hit the nearest resistance to it, which is this one. So that is the nearest support, and that is the nearest resistance. I'm gonna stick to this one here because I actually want to make some more profits out of this trade. Because right now, if I close the trade right now, it's gonna be only 6 pips of profits. Meanwhile, if I wait for the target, it's gonna be 14 pips of profit, which is actually, of course, better. So the trade is going well so far, as you can see, and therefore let's check the other pairs right now. Look at that, amazing. We are already in very good profits. The account is already above $1,500, and the pair is reversing quickly. Just for the safety, let me just set the stop loss right here, and the stop loss is gonna be exactly the same amount of the profit. The profit should be about $102 of profit. Good. Let's go back to the pound NZD, and the price did not yet reach our entry level. Let me just try to find any other setup right in front of you. I don't really... Okay. I was going to say I don't want to make your life boring with the video. However, I think we can see a good setup on the euro or the pound CAD. Just want to be sure. The bullish candle seems actually strong. Let me go to the 4-hour chart just to confirm. Not really. No. The bullish momentum here, my friends, seems really strong, and the pair has just reversed from this resistance support trend line, as you can see, like that. Therefore, I really doubt if I can consider this as a resistance one, because it cannot be actually, since we had so many other attempts in the past, and also the momentum, as I said, is very strong. Therefore, I'm not gonna place a sell order here. I think it's gonna actually break out from the resistance. And let's just ignore this one. Let me just tell you something, that actually the real strength or the real power of my strategy is to find the bounces of the candles. This is what I'm searching for. I'm just looking for any candle that I'm expecting for it to bounce after hitting a support or resistance level. I'm aiming the strongest support and resistance levels, and then try to find where I can expect the market to reverse. For example, USD GPY right now, it seems like it's gonna hit a support number 1. Let me just show. I think that we cannot expect much pips from the USD GPY. No, I'm not gonna trade it. It's not my thing actually. There are some pairs actually, my friends, which are good for scalping, and other pairs are really bad for scalping. USD GPY is one of the really bad pairs for scalping. I have explained in the video of my strategy which pairs I prefer for scalping. Usually they are the pairs of the pound, Euro NZD, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, and the gold. So I'm gonna search these pairs. Okay, let me now please pause the video, and I'll be back to you once I find the next setup. Okay, this is interesting. Actually, right now I'm checking the gold, and the gold on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that we are clearly on a support number 2, and we already had here the support number 1. Notice that the reversal from support number 1 was really strong, and the market has made a strong shock or reaction once it had touched the level 1796.55. Now, of course, since I'm gonna trade the gold, I'm not gonna use one lot size. That's gonna be insane in my opinion. I'm gonna switch to 0.50. When you are trading gold, it's different from trading the other pairs. Even 50 is actually a lot. I'm thinking to change it, make it 0.40. That's just for the safety. And let me just go again, just check 30-minute time frame. Yes, it was the first attempt. Actually, that should be fine. And open the trade. And of course, as usual, when you open the trade first, it's gonna be in loss. Let's just wait some time and see ourselves be in profit. Look at that. That is the reason why I really love scalping the gold. All I need is actually a small reversal like that, my friends, and I'm gonna get the 20 pips I want. This is almost 19 pips of profit, which is totally fine, because as I said, I have placed my trade right here on the support level, and the nearest resistance or support to my entry is right here. That is actually a resistance. Remember, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, and you can confirm that this was the resistance by seeing it on the past, the same level. It was also a support. It was also a support right here. That means that that support level has been broken out, and it has recently become a new resistance. As simple as that. So we have set the take profit right here. Let me just set the stop loss, and it should be actually the same. So our profit is gonna be the same of the loss. How many dollars? How much dollars? I mean, $75. Great. Yeah, very nice. All right. So let me just set again this one to 1 lot size, and I'm still waiting for the pound and ZD actually to reach the entry level. It still didn't reach it, so we might need to look for more pairs. Alright, let me again please pause the video, and I'll be back to you once I find another trade. And back to the trades, we can see that the Euro AUD is about to hit the take profit level, and just like it's just for 2 pips only. I'm gonna close the trade, no need to wait for it longer than that, and yep, we ended in profit. $86 of profit was really good. And oh wow, check gold, check out the gold. Actually, I just went to drink water and came back and found that gold has already reached the take profit level. As you can see, it's just reversed 1.6 pips away before it, and I'm gonna close the trade right now because there is actually no need to wait for it again. That is again one of the reasons I have to always keep my eyes on the trades, because actually guys, I don't really depend on the take profit levels, because usually I close the trades manually. As you can see, the trade has reversed just 1.6 away before reaching the take profit level. So what do you do in this case? Of course, close the trade. No need to wait for it again to get to rise for another few pips. Okay, so we have finished 2 trades. We have earned really good money, I think about $140 in just short time. And let's now continue to find another setups if I can. The problem with the market right, look at the pound CAD, it has reversed for almost 20 pips. What a bummer. Shit, man, I lost it, I missed it. I'm just trying to find any other setup to enter, and hopefully I can find something actually, because the market in general is ranging right now. Euro NZD still nothing good, Euro CAD nothing good yet. We might need to wait a while. Let me just pause the video please, my friends, and I'll be back to you later once I find another trade. Okay, now back to the pound pairs, and right now I'm checking the pound AUD. Something interesting I can see right here is we're having that resistance level, and again we're having right here a bearish breakout candle. So seeing the pound actually going in a bearish momentum right now on all of the pairs, I think it's gonna be a good idea to place the sell order. I'm just waiting for the right moment. I'm waiting for the pound AUD to rise for another like 2 pips only. Yes, that's enough, that's enough. Again, please guys, notice the perfect entry. The spread for the pound AUD is just less than 1 pip. It's ranging between 1.2 and less than 1 pip. Amazing. That is really the reason I love trading with IC markets. Alright, so we had this trade opened, and since I have placed my trade right here, we can exit our trade at the nearest support, which is exactly right here. That should be about 10 pips of profit. That should be fine. It's not the best, but I mean it's okay. So let's wait now and see what will gonna happen. I think this is gonna be really one good deal also. So yeah, let me just pause the video and be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Okay, so actually I'm interested to prove here my point, and let me just place another trade, and I'm gonna reduce the lot size, and another sell order was opened. So let me just explain to you what I'm doing here. Actually, one of the things I'm teaching on my channel is that when you are seeing a bearish breakout candle, or a bullish for the matter, what you need to do actually is you need to look at the nearest wick or tail to the candle, or to the bearish candle. In this scenario, we are talking about a bearish candle. So you need to look at the nearest tail to this bearish breakout candle. And of course, as you can see, that is right here, the nearest tail. Now, what you need to do is mark the level. Let me just increase the line here. Put your line here, your previous support line, at the absolute bottom level of the tail. Now, that is exactly the level where we can expect the previous support level to become right now the new resistance. That is actually one of the best levels to open another sell orders, because exactly here the pair is gonna reverse. Yes, I placed my previous sell order right here. However, I actually had the feeling, or I knew it, that the pair is gonna continue rising a little bit, touching that touching that previous support level, and then from that point is gonna reverse. As I said, I actually had the feeling it's gonna happen, and indeed it happened. That's why I had placed another sell order, just because I just really want to confirm to you that my what I'm teaching right here and my theories are correct. So what I need to do actually is I need to increase this one a little bit more, because there is a chance that the market might again rise a little bit here, and eventually this candle is gonna close below that level. So let's wait and see what will gonna happen, and if what I'm saying is correct. What I'm saying is this candle is definitely gonna close like that, exactly at the line I have drawn here. I'm not gonna change it. Let me keep it for you so you can see what will gonna happen later. This candle still has 1 minute and 15 seconds for the closure. Let me now pause the video and be back to you once this candle closes. Alrighty, let me just tell you what's happening right now. Look at that. I mean, actually, okay, let's see. As I told you, I told you that the candle actually gonna close like that, above that level. However, as you can see, the candle did not close right here, and the new candle opened there, and now it's going down. So what's the story? Okay, my theory is still accurate, but let me just go now to the 5-minute time frame. Now check it out, guys. I mean, really amazing. Look at that. Check that out. Look at that. On the 5-minute time frame, we right here had the support level, the previous support level, and that is right here the bearish breakout candle from that support, and check that out. The reversal has happened exactly at the previous level of that support level, and not only that, it happened also exactly at the same level of the nearest tail to the breakout candle, exactly as I told you. So yes, it is correct what I'm saying to you, and however, if it didn't happen on the bigger time frame, you can go to the smaller time frame and you can see it happening in action right in front of you. And that is exactly what I did. I saw that one and I said, okay, let's just wait and see what will gonna happen. And indeed the reversal happened right there. I actually was thinking to place another sell order here again to have 3 orders opened for the pound AUD. But honestly, that will be insane, and that's really not a proper trading. That's not how trading forex is. Sometimes what you are thinking might actually not work, and opening 3 positions at for one pair is actually one of the reasons you can end up wiping your account. So just also be reasonable here. We are not joking. That is serious thing, and therefore I cannot open more than Actually, I should not open more than 1 position. However, I just felt how can I say that? I just felt like I just really want to do it. I don't know why to open another trade. However, it is wrong. It's not good behavior, and forex traders should not do that. Anyway, let me please now pause the video, my friends, and I'll show you for the final results when this candle be. Actually, I think I'm gonna close this trade in profit as soon as possible. Suddenly, I don't feel it's gonna be smart to keep the sell order for the pound AUD after this rising, because I was hoping for a reversal from that resistance level, and after the rise, this one I don't really feel safe. Actually, I might close this trade with the break even, honestly speaking. Right now we are in $0.79 dollars only of loss, and I think I'm gonna take it. I mean, yeah, I just want to close this trade break even because I don't feel safe in it anymore. So in the end, we have managed to grow the account for almost, I think, I know, okay, it has grown for $1,600, but I think we grow it for, I don't remember exactly how much the amount. I think we have earned $150-$60 in this session. However, it was a quick session. Sorry, 21 minutes. I tried my best to find for you the best positions. However, the market actually not so much active right now. And right now it's 11:57 a.m. Dubai time, and the UK session is about to start. That's why actually I thought it's better to end the video. I'm gonna trade actually after like 2 hours after the market calm, after opening of the UK session. So look at that bummer. Now it's moving down. Ah, shit. Anyway, it's all right. It's all good. It's all cool. We have made some decent profits. And in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.